Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to convert this kind of table into this. Okay, so we are basically grouping this by company and then we're creating one row for each company, so kind of like a long table to a flat table. And I have a video on the reverse, that how to create a flat table to a long table, so I would suggest you watch that if you want to do the reverse. So in this video I have created one function that basically does this conversion. So if I just do the filter and then create the ABC, so I get these three rows. And I have another video how to do this using list.accumulate and create a unique function. We can create a function to do this kind of stuff. So let's start this video. So I'm going to get this data into Power Query, and I have this function that I was talking about. Okay, so let me just walk you through that part. Okay, so let me just do that easily. And so I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to say ABC and then remove columns. So let's see how can we use this function and create our expected result. So let's get rid of this last two step, and then this is my in. So this is my shorts. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just create a group by and then keep all the rows, and I get a table like this. So type table, I don't want anything actually, so I'll just get rid of everything out of this, and this each underscore, that is the table. So I'm going to remove that table. So table dot remove columns. Actually, if you look at this without removing the column, you'll see that we already have the company column, which is not necessary actually. Table dot remove columns, and this is my table, and ideally I'm going to remove company column. Okay, so let's remove that column, and I don't need anything after this. And if I look at this now, then you will see that I have country and count, and so on. Now I am going to just do table dot transform columns. So to apply that function into each of this item, and that is count column and then fx, and look at this. So I get table converted into that format. I get a table, another one like this, and main part of this video is start from here. So sometimes I'll have, right now in this example I have exactly 6 column, but sometimes we'll have 6 column in on table, 4 column in another table, right? In that case I want to create this expanding. So if I just expand this, it will just hard code these column names, right? If I just do this, then it will just hard code that, and I don't want that. So what I want to do, I want to create a dynamic feature to not hard code that specific part. And how can I do this? Is very simple. So I get this table, I'm going to do it a drill down. Okay, so I will have all the table as a list. Now list dot transform, and I am going to find each table column names, right? And then underscore. Now you'll see all the list has a column names from each of this table, and now I can say list dot union, and that will combine the list and find the unique ones, and you can see that's my column. And then I can just say table dot expand table column. So expand table column, and that is going to be custom table, and column name to expand, that is count, and then this is my expanded column names, and that's it. You can see we have company and these are the extension, right? And that's it. Now I can just load this, and let me just do this here, so I can visually see that. Okay, now I'm going to delete some rows so that we can see that if this is actually working or not. Table rows, and then let's refresh that. Now if I refresh this, you can see for company ABC I have only up to 4 column. I don't have country 3 and country data, and that is because I don't have those data for that particular company. And as this is dynamic, it's putting null there, but it's expanding automatically. I could just add another column for column STU. So let's say BD, let's say 10 and STU. And if I just go here and refresh, then you'll see right now we have 4 repetition like this, 4 groups. So that's it, and thank you for watching. If you like my content, consider subscribing. Have a good day.